I can't believe I'm about to say this, but we're about to head to the airport because today we are flying from Chicago to London, which will begin a 3-week trip through Europe. Bags are checked. We are all checked in for the flight. Just gonna make it through security. It is about 5 o'clock. Flight boards in about an hour. It is 10 a.m. London time. Our bodies think it's 3 a.m.
I hope we can stay awake till like 7.
I believe the plan is to find a ride to the place we are staying for the next 4 days. We are currently sitting on the floor outside of London Heathrow Airport International Terminal. Our taxi was supposed to be here an hour ago, but it's not. But we're trying to figure it out right now. Alright, we made it out of the airport. We have an Uber now. We canceled the taxi, and we are finally outside of Heathrow Airport. We made it.
Hello.
Our goal is to try to stay awake as long as possible. This is Nick.
Remember me.
Hey guys, we just reached the very top of the tower.
So we're doing a little walk
No,
to...
it's literally called the long walk.
We are doing the long walk to Windsor Castle. In an effort to be as British as humanly possible, we have made our way to Windsor Castle and just stopped by a pub. We did not drink alcohol because we cannot do that. But there's like flags everywhere and it's all decorated for the Queen's Jubilee.
We're here to celebrate the Queen's Jubilee, which is her 70th anniversary as ruler of England. She's 96 years old, so this is probably the last Jubilee she's gonna have, most likely.
She packed my bags last night pre-flight.
Oh mate, we're going down to London. I just used an Australian accent.